Hello everyone, this video is for you. It's a daily video that tells you what zone we're in, what basic weekly plan we're working on, and reminds you of your routines. Take a look, you'll see that these three things are here. There may be some other things in there that may or may not relate to the time of year, but that's okay. Enjoy. Hello my fly babies, it's me, your FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Wednesday, and we have 3 layers to our cake. First layer is our 5 routines: morning routine, what's next? Laundry routine, paper routine, after dinner routine, before bed routine. 5. You know what those are. Okay. And then we have our basic weekly plan. Our basic weekly plan is Wednesday, planning and desk day. So we're going to do that. And then our after we've done that, we're going to do our zone. And the zone is the kitchen. So you're going to do one thing in the kitchen that you've picked out in your planning day. So today's planning day, so you're going to pick out things for the rest of the week and things for zone 3 for next week, which is the bathroom and one other room. All right, so here's how we incorporate these things into our life. We do our morning routine first before the kids, and then the kids do their morning routine. If you don't know what the morning routine is, go back and watch my video on how to do the FlyLady system for newbies. The next thing is you're going to do your laundry if you're at home. So you're going to put the laundry in and go through an inch of paper. Then you're going to have your after dinner routine. After supper tonight, everybody, the whole family's going to come together and clean the kitchen up. Not hard, not detailed, just get it clean. And then the before bed routine for you and the before bed routine for your kids. So morning routine, start the laundry, go through an inch of paper. The very next thing we're going to do, we're not skipping all the way to dinner at this point, we still have a chunk of time. So we're going to do our basic weekly plan, which is planning and desk day. That means you're going to go to the fridge, look in it, see what needs to go. If you need to wipe it out a little bit, do that, reorganize it. Organizing simply means putting like things together. And then you're going to do the freezer. You're going to look and see what's in there, and the pantry. So you're going to shop your own shelves and make up a menu from that. What you don't have, if you just want, like let's say you could only make 2 meals or 2.5 meals, then you're going to write your menu out for what you want to serve the rest of the week, and then write your grocery list based on what you're missing. Then you're going to go to your desk and you're going to balance your checkbook, make sure there's no weird things on your debit card or your credit card or coming out of your account. You're going to look at your budget, and then you're going to look at that grocery list that you created and finish it, make sure it's within budget, and then you're ready for tomorrow when you go shopping or when you order your groceries, okay? The other thing that you're going to do is plan your day. So you're going to take your planner and plan out the week, okay? So you're going to put what day it is today. What day is it tomorrow? So today is Wednesday, planning and desk day. Tomorrow is Thursday. That's errand day. When you buy your groceries, buy your stamps, go to the library, take things to the dry cleaner, pick things up you've forgotten about, deliver something to your sister. That's errand day. Okay, Friday is car and purse day and date night. Saturday is family fun day. Sunday is renew your spirit day. Monday is weekly home blessing hour, and Tuesday is free day. So plug those in. And then put the zone. Zone 2 is all this week. Zone 2, the kitchen. And starting on Monday, you're in zone 3. That's the bathroom and one other room. So put that in your planner. Then put your meals that you've created on whatever days you think are appropriate on the bottom. Now this is also the time for you to plan. If your children have curricular activities, what are you going to do? How is that going to work? Plan it out. If you don't plan it out, you're going to end up eating at McDonald's, right? So, and you still might if that's part of your plan, but you know, plan it out. Look and see. What can you do? What makes sense? You're a smart woman. You can do this. All right. So after we've done our planning and desk day, and if you're a person who works outside the home, a payroll fly baby, or you're a payroll fly baby who works in the home and you can't be in the home, you have to be in your office because you do, then you can take a quick picture of the fridge and the pantry and the freezer just to kind of remember what's in there so you can make your list on your lunch hour. Okay? All right, and then we've got, so we've done that, and then we're going to go, if you're at home, you're going to go straight into your zone, your kitchen, and work in there for a bit. If you are working, you're going to do your zone when you get home this afternoon, after you've got your dinner simmering on the stove, and you're in the room, the kitchen, all right? So either you're going to declutter for 15 minutes if you still have a cluttered kitchen. If you don't, you're going to do one of your 4 cleaning items in that kitchen. That's the other thing with planning and desk day, is that you look and see what rooms you're going to be in and what 4 things you want to do in that room or rooms, and write that down so that you can pick one of those things on the 4 days you're working in that room, okay? All right, after dinner, we're all doing the after dinner routine. We come together as a family and clean up real quick and easy. You stay in there and you are happy. You set the tone. Then we have after dinner routine. After dinner routine, we have our before bed routine, and the kids go and then you go, or you go if you're tired first. I know in my newbies video it says for you to go first, because most newbies are exhausted because their house is a mess. But once you get your house in order, you might not be so exhausted. All right, that's it for today. That's Wednesday. I hope this was helpful for you. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please feel free to put them below. Always remember that you are beautiful. I hope you enjoyed that, and I know that you're going to have a great time in your house today. Remember to focus on getting it done first, fast, make it fun, and get it finished. Complete the process, and don't let those little things bug you that you see that are for future dates. Use your planner, and always remember that you are beautiful.